Find them guys. Find them guys. Good doggies. Good doggies. Good doggies. Find them guys. Find them guys. Find them guys. Doesn't look like it. I mean, the cover couldn't be any better. Mine are right in the middle of all this. I think yours are right on the other side. Yeah, my two are right here to the right. I'm in this right in all these briars. Not smelling a thing. I don't know what it takes. Yep. Oh no, it's been an experience. Can't have it good all the time. I'm just glad I killed that pheasant to make it worthwhile. You killed a rabbit. No, I can't claim the rabbit, but my dog jumped it. My dog jumped it. And I got a heck of a bird dog. Get him, Betty. Get him, girl. Find him, Betty. Come on, Abby. Get him, girl. Find him, Abby. Let's show him how to jump another rabbit. Show him how it's done, Abby. There we go. That's a rabbit. Yeah. That's a rabbit, guys. If my girl barks, it's a rabbit. Okay. People didn't know me better, they'd think I had an attitude, wouldn't they? I'm on this side over here, Donnie. Gonna have to get a battery out. Don't tell me you went in the hole. Gonna change batteries.